Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
We hope everyone's having a great day today. And today we're going to be doing our Throwback Thursday video. And this week we have chosen the pie that Marie made about a year ago. It's a peanut butter pie. And this pie is really delicious.
Yeah, it's a family favorite of ours.
It is, and I was just watching the video a few minutes ago to preview it before we start this up. And as I was watching, I was thinking, Marie, you've got everything to make that pie. And I sure would love to have another one today, especially after watching the video.
I'll see what I can do.
But it's a very delicious pie, and it's very easy to make. And I think if you try it, you'll really love it.
Yeah, it is delicious.
Okay, well, let's get on to the video, and we'll be back with you when it's over with.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making another easy, fast and budget-friendly recipe, and it's called peanut butter pie. And these are my ingredients: peanut butter, a graham pie crust, powdered sugar, cream cheese, and whipped cream. So let me get started on this easy recipe. And this recipe would be a great recipe if you're having company. You can make this in a pinch, and it'd be great to carry to church dinners or anything that you need to make in a hurry. And it's really a good pie. So let me get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my peanut butter. Okay. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding my cream cheese. And so hopefully this doesn't go everywhere. It helps to, let me turn this off. It helps to make sure that your cream cheese is at room temperature. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding in my powdered sugar. And this is 1 cup. The Next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to add about 8 ounces of this whipped topping in my pie. I'm going to fold it in. This peanut butter really smells good. I say that in all my videos, but when you're cooking, you can't help but say it. When you're smelling all of these smells. On my whipped topping, I said that I was using about 8 ounces of it, and so I'm just going to be using about half of this whipped topping. I'm going to fold this in. I've made peanut butter pies before. I've made them different ways. This one I'm going to be putting a crumb topping on it, but sometimes I just put chocolate syrup in a pattern over top of it. Okay, I think I've got that just about smoothed out now. So
the smell's just now getting over here to me. I sure am enjoying it.
yeah, it smells very good.
That'll make a good dessert for our dinner tonight.
Yeah, I was thinking about, I should have went ahead and made 2 of them so that we could pull out one later. Okay. But this one will last us a few days. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put this in. See, it's a very easy pie. The only thing you have to worry about if you have anybody that is allergic to peanut butter, you might want to make an extra pie of some sort. Now then, I'm going to put some whipped topping on it. I've never tried this whipped topping here before, but it has real good texture. So I'll probably be trying this again.
And what brand is that, Marie?
It's Food Club.
We got that one down at Piggly Wiggly, didn't we?
Mm-hmm. The cashier, I asked her if it was a good one, and she said that this particular Food Club, that she always enjoyed their products. Just about got that smoothed out.
That pie looks good. I don't know if that's going to make it to dinner tonight. I may have to sample that at lunchtime today.
I think it'll be ready by dinner tonight, Calvin. I don't think it will be by lunchtime, but
Oh yeah, it has to go in the refrigerator for a while, don't it?
yeah, till it sets up. Now I'm going to make my crumb topping for my pie. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. So I'm just mixing it all have my crumbles mixed up, and so now I'm going to sprinkle them on my peanut butter pie. I think this dessert took about 15 minutes.
Didn't take long.
I didn't time it, but it was really fast and easy. Okay. I finished my pie, and I know it's going to be good because I've made it before many times and we always enjoy it. And I hope that y'all will try this pie also. So I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it sit up for several hours. And so I hope that y'all have a good evening. And so do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great day. Bye.
Okay, we're back from watching the video. That was really good video. I enjoyed it, Marie.
Yeah, it was a good pie, wasn't it?
The pie was delicious, yes.
And sometimes I don't put the crumbles on it, though. I'll just take some Hershey's syrup and just sprinkle that over it, and that's just as good.
Yeah, that's good too.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone, well, we hope you enjoyed this video, and y'all be sure and watch us tomorrow night for our Friday night video. Marie's got a special soup that she has made for tomorrow night's video. So everyone have a great day, and we'll see you on our next video.
And y'all do what you love and love what you do. And like Calvin said, we'll see you on the next video. Bye.